Want your blog post to rank higher on Google? We've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into advanced steps to SEO optimize your blog post for more traffic and success. Step 1. Comprehensive keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush to find your primary keyword and related long-tail keywords. Analyze search volume and competition to choose the best keywords. Next, create an SEO-friendly title and URL. Keep your title under 60 characters with your main keyword at the beginning. Ensure your URL is short, descriptive, and includes the primary keyword. Don't forget the meta description and tags. Write an engaging meta description under 160 characters with your keyword. Use relevant tags to categorize your post and improve discoverability. Step 4. Use headings and subheadings. Structure your post with an H1 title, H2 for main sections, and H3 for subsections. This helps Google understand your content and improves readability. Now focus on high-quality, engaging content. Ensure it's well-researched, easy to read, and valuable. Use your primary keyword naturally and aim for over 1,500 words to provide in-depth information. Optimize your images and media. Add descriptive alt text with keywords, compress images for faster loading, and use relevant videos and infographics to enhance your content. Include internal and external links. Link to other relevant posts on your site and credible external sources to boost your SEO and provide additional value to readers. Make sure your blog is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Use responsive design and optimize your site's speed to improve user experience and ranking. And that's it. Follow these advanced steps to rank higher on Google and drive more traffic to your blog. Don't forget to subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks.